Namaskar, myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the daily weather. We'll start with the observed weather during last 24 hours. So cold day to severe cold day conditions prevailed in isolated pockets of East Uttar Pradesh along with cold day conditions in the West Uttar Pradesh. Also ground frost conditions were reported in isolated places of Uttarakhand. If you consider fog conditions, so widespread fog conditions were prevailing in the Indo-Gangetic plains, where visibility was less than 50 meters at isolated pockets of Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, and then dense fog where visibility was between 50 to 200 meters were reported in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Chandigarh, Bihar, Gangetic, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand. So first of all, highlights of today's presentation. So dense to very dense fog conditions likely to continue over Indo-Gangetic plains during next 3 to 4 days. Also under the influence of upcoming western disturbance and its interaction with easterly winds, wet spell likely over northwest India during 10th to 12th January 2025. Now we'll see the synoptic systems prevailing over our country. So the western disturbance as a trough in middle and upper tropospheric westerlies runs roughly along longitude 84 degree east to the north of latitude 20 degree north. Also a cyclonic circulation over West Uttar Pradesh now lies over northwest Uttar Pradesh and neighborhood, and other cyclonic circulation over northwest Assam and neighborhood persists. Apart from these, the cyclonic circulation over equatorial Indian Ocean and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal persists, and through this circulation a trough now runs from equatorial Indian Ocean to South Kerala across South Bay of Bengal and South Tamil Nadu. And apart from these, a fresh western disturbance is also likely to affect northwest India from 10th January 2025. Now we'll see the minimum temperatures observed. So minimum temperatures were below 0 degree centigrade over many parts of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh, between 0 to 5 degree centigrade over Himachal Pradesh, and 5 to 10 degree centigrade over many parts of northwest India, 10 to 15 degree centigrade over many parts of west, central and east India. And if you see the observed minimum temperature, lowest minimum temperature over the plains of the country, it was reported in Chittorgarh, which is in East Rajasthan, and it was 5.9 degree centigrade. If you talk about the departure of the minimum temperatures, so over Indo-Gangetic plain and most of the places in North India, minimum temperatures were appreciably above normal. And now we'll discuss the forecast of temperature. So fall in minimum temperatures by 2 to 4 degree centigrade is likely over northwest and central India during next 2 days, and then gradual rise by 2 to 4 degree centigrade. Also fall in minimum temperatures by 2 to 4 degree centigrade is forecasted over East India during next 2 days, and thereafter no large change is forecasted. Then again fall in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade is likely over Maharashtra during next 2 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade is forecasted after that. And there is no significant change in minimum temperatures likely over Gujarat state during next 2 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter. Now we'll see the subdivision wise weather warning for day 1, that is 7th today. So cold day is forecasted over isolated pockets of Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Also cold wave is also forecasted over Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan. And then if you see the fog, so fog is dense fog is forecasted over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and Sikkim and sub-Himalayan West Bengal. And also there is a warning for hailstorm over Assam and Meghalaya, and then Sikkim. And if you see the northeastern states, again there is a thunderstorm activity with lightning is forecasted today, and ground frost is forecasted over Himachal Pradesh. Okay, for day 2, that is 8th January, cold day warning is given for Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and cold wave warning is given for Himachal Pradesh and West Rajasthan. And then dense to very dense fog at few places were forecasted over Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, where orange warning is given. Also dense fog is forecasted for Himachal Pradesh along with ground frost conditions, and then dense fog is also forecasted over Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha, and thunderstorm warning is given over Arunachal Pradesh. For day 3, if you see the fog conditions, fog warning remains the same. It is very dense to very dense fog is given for Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and then dense fog is given for Himachal Pradesh along with ground frost, and dense fog is given for Bihar, and then Assam, Meghalaya and other northeastern states for day 3. And day 4 the fog is reduced, and the only dense fog warning is given for Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar along with Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, all these northeastern states. And for day 5 this fog fog warning for dense fog is given for Assam, Meghalaya and other northeastern states. And day 6 and day 7 there are no major warnings for day 6 and day 7. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. You can, for more information, you can visit our website mausam.gov.in. Also don't forget to like, comment, share our social media handles. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.